Dear students, let us find the distance between 2 points P and Q in coordinate geometry. So let us mark 2 points, point P x1, y1 and another point Q x2, y2 in the graph sheet. Let us draw a straight line joining these 2 points PQ, and the distance PQ is what we need to find. Let us also draw perpendiculars from these 2 points P and Q. The perpendiculars will meet the x-axis and y-axis. Let's assume these two perpendiculars will meet at point R. The origin of the graph is O, 0, 0. The perpendiculars from these points PQ will meet the x-axis and y-axis at some point. So the perpendicular from P is meeting the x-axis at point B and Q, and the perpendiculars from P and Q to meet the x-axis at point C and point D. We have to find the distance between P and Q. So let us use Pythagoras theorem to find the distance. By Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. So PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square. Let's assume that is equation 1. Now let us find the distance PR. PR can also be written as AP minus AR. AP is the height of point P from x-axis. So AP is y1. So AP we can substitute as y1 minus AR. AR is equal to QB, and QB distance is distance of point Q from x-axis. So we can write it as y2. Similarly, let us find the distance RQ. RQ can be written as DQ minus DR. DQ is the distance, the point Q from y-axis. So it is x2 minus dr. Dr is a small distance of point P from y-axis, and that distance is x1. So dr can be written as x1. Now let us substitute the value of PR and RQ in equation 1. PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square. PR square can be written as y1 minus y2 whole square plus RQ can be written as x2 minus x1 whole square. So this is also we can write it as x2 minus x1 whole square plus y1 y2 or y2 minus y1 both will be same because we are squaring it. Hence we can write it as y2 minus y1 whole square. So the distance PQ can be written as square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, everything under the square root. So this is the distance PQ. We can also write a statement, the distance between the points P and Q denoted by x1, y1 and Q as x2, y2. The distance between those 2 points is square root of x square x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the square root. This is a formula for calculating distance between any 2 points PQ.